mauvoni na twithiwa na unania ukonetie wimi muthinyani wo monthe twenda umana undu tona kusuvia ngogo ciaku vate kutumia ndawa ni kana ukethia ni wailia wimi waku. Na tuambia na vilingi wa mauvoni kana masama vuthu itina wa President William Ruto kutongwesya chathi cha mashujaa kuya Ithokwe kaunti ya Kitui na kukuya Kitui South utwini wa Inyali uvungulu wa mugo no uende na kwikinyia na valamu elevano muvyu wa isasi unakusiwe na mundume wa ukuwa miaka 42 atho mwongo ni alame kwisililwa kwithiwa nenzangili kuma Somalia. Mundume ukwa isitwa Arison Lendi na ulani mutandithi wa makaa ewedekana ta unathiwe kavinda kalawe na ananae manaendete kuosa makaa kithekani. Mundume ukwa oyu ande kukwata uichi hospitalini wa Kitui Referral madaktari maende kutata unumatona kumia kisasi mwongoni wake. Onesimus Chalo nukuelezea.
Masaka utetina wa President William Ruto kutongwesya siku kwa mashujaa kiwanza nete Ithokwe Stadium wa Kitui cha Kati mawasi ya meisasi ni mane wiki kuya Inyali ila iwadi ni amutha Kitui cha Ithio na kutia mutumia umwe na maumisi meisasi mwene wake itina wakuvithukwa ni alama kwesilo kwithia nenza ngilisi ambaye yake Somali ili neyo Vietnamio mea ya akauna kuvithukia mutandithia uwa makaa wa muna ndeleva wake ulama na alatitia makaa kuya kisioni cha Inyali.
Iyo ni mbidhukiwe Uoria nendete kitekana ngami siambabu kuma vile noko yona ndo wangi mezi wanzia mambu mbere mpaka wanbera nani na kwata ngalo ya wonyo ndugu yangu mbere mpaka muda abika muda na kompanga ya mbere mutomo abika mutomo watu ka litikia binone tuketu
Arison Lendi anathio na kisasi mwongoni wake na bala ikikwamite mwongoni usi onatina kusemba hospitalini wa Kitui kukwata uiti
mana kizoezi zitatu chimo kina zile angali kile kinalie boneti tare kile kinambabi nalie mango watanpo leki okomo na dokite kinadokite no nalie wao na kuma na tokene simu chembe ene simu ile ya tachi na ambato wana zile ndeba na kana zimu ambato ndio jiojembe tu wa vile vitu negiti na kwa salama ni wa tabia tajikani mere amoke mazi au na zile na meyo kali akao mere amoke
matakitari hospitalini wa Kitui Referral niwetakana ni maende na kutata kumutele sekumi ya kisasi kiu valama kuwetakana edhwa undu etoneke hospitalini o etina kwiko kunikilua maumisi alawe namo nime kumuthamisi hospitalini munene wa Kenyatta. Kiko kieni kiukilia wasiwasi munene katua enende kisioni cha Inyali kumutha valama kuwetakana sieko siya kubamiwa na isasi ni siikathita muno na vai matambia mosa wana andu mone maende na kutua na mathayo nangi kutua na maumisi mai
Mete kwenda sisi ingali kwezi na ujuja mumba kanwa mane kabalawi kudeni ile kwewe pale bota na riba na bale bogipi kuja wewe kwa bakale tu wenda muno ile tewisi ile tugilete ne tezelo tukilete ile kwa kana ne kitu
MC wa mutha Dominic Mwamusi na kenwa wetakana musumbi thinu waneni wake muthenyani wa iyokolea kunene abato wa muwa mutha ni ukuna munene na kulekelelwa kwa enende ma mutha kwendea na kuumiwa ni enende alama kwisilo kwithia memba yake Somali wala wetake kavindani kale vikite thinu hospitali wa Kitui kutethese mutumia o kukwata uiti
nanya kwa wala mutongoi nona nini nikivudia ndo wa security tuthi tutone ya muno na ngetha ni tukilitie muno ndo la ile kwitho kutona kushughulikiwa na kwenda tuna sherehe nene tasio yo sia mashujaa day parado we expect ya musumbi wa Kenya ne obo wa sese twende wandeto sia muthembosu na nikendo cha macha muno aluma Kitui monde na ndongo ya aluma muthana ndongo sia Kitui county ne na we kwati munene muno akwiwa musumbi nene obo wa sese ndo aluma Kitui county na muno ma wodi la ngamie nimedito mena ina muno wa security ito ni musali wambe kunena ngwa dabe mabuti me otomeka na nungwa na kiko kila kikieno ndo mabuti ala na ile tometo mwane majangilo
Delivote Blingo Movomo Tongoi TV Neto Onesmus Chalo
Kongenu kana ula wa muslimu nene wa makwani na adhi umuyawe ya na uyutangasite kukitia kiwela cha usumbe mwakani wa ngilili miongoli na mwonza David Maraga umani ya itambia president kuikia sahi metala talasumu kutrika miao vindaila enendi maendeye kumeta kikuo cha Murutia Raila Odinga wakaratu wa chumwa kivitu Maraga kwa vanene nutulile muti wa ilu wa mwea omweu kuko ni mitumeile ya mitandao aiweta ukite kuvetanga udhasio wa enendi kuikia silikali kithimini na ingi mwea omweu wa kulunga udhosia wa mevea ya silikali mioela Maraga wetie nonginya yungamwe nikoti. Benjamin Mwaka nukuelese.
The seventh bill, Your Excellency.
Maraga ndino kikalona ndikima mauvo numane tambia President William Ruto kuikia saime ya omyeu na wakatatu muvetu. Aitumia kikucholo wa Prime Minister na mutongo iwodi Raila Odinga takisiei. Kuvithanya uvukua imwe ya miao kindu kila waweta ni kiko cha kutelemia na katoa miao thana ili nwaweta ni akuumisa mwene nthi. Ulo wakulunga mitumile ya mitandao ya mikumuganilie nolonenganite mitandao kuthosia mivea mina ya silikali miao ilo kuweta yunongina yunga mwene koti.
At exactly the same time that the nation was grappling with the news of the demise of Right Honorable Odinga, President Ruto was in State House signing into law not one but 8 bills, some of which are quite draconian. What a shame that the president can be doing that when the rest of the country is mourning. These amendments are unconstitutional. They are null and void.
Maraga heweta mwea uma wa kulunga mitumile ya mitandao woka kumina wea diwa NMB kulunga silikali na tongu ya lame mianani ya utongoi na ni uvadhuka nuvyo na ivenge siya katiba.
What we are saying is you can't make one person to be the investigator, the prosecutor, and the judge at the same time. Get the process to be done properly. That's why the courts are there. If there are any allegations, if there are anybody who is aggrieved by misuse of the social media, by people in the social media, the courts are there. Let the courts, those grievances be taken to court and be dealt with, but not to give to one individual, to one individual to deal with them. At that stroke of a pen, one individual can close several accounts, including all of us here. And by the time you go to court and have them reinstated, the damage will have already been done.
Inono wiovo nwa kulie nende meyumilie kusia mivea vata silikali dhidho kwa andwana silikali ni weta ni lasima mwea usiwe kotini na kuunga mwea noka na kusuvia mali ya mwene nde idhia ya mokoni ma andwana silikali ni.
We will seek orders in those court petitions to declare whatever process that has been done illegally null and void. So those who are keen or who are in speed to buy, had better have notice that they risk having their process set aside. In the court petitions, there are going to be prayers to declare what the government will have done under these illegal provisions. Null and void.
Vilingwa mavo kumava musini lovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.
Ni watu wamneka yu chama cha ODM kiko kumbelwa ni mwane kwa kana kumelwa ni kila cha UDA na kwasi ya mwelekeo waki uteti kavindani ka tuelekelusa kwa nini mwenene wa mwaka wangilile miongole na mwonza nula ukusangi wa vanene ni kutiwa nidhayo kwa ula unaimwene kivila wacho Raila Odinga na ula ukuwatakanave na vinya wa kususia ya nyadila utiye chamani kiu kwena na James Mwandhi Muunda na ula ni mureti chamani cha Wiper County na Mombasa nukuwetakana yupinya ulawi na chama ki nutona kuvaloka vala yukuwetakana mutongo wa chama cha Wiper na mwanya munene wa kukitia kivila cha president na kuungamia ngaleko ya ulei na ilai kuidhiwa ina vina wako mwenu cha kana kumenu cha serikali ya President William Ruto. Angelina Muse na ilivoti
Ainene ava kauntini ya Mombasa James Mwandhi Muunda na ula ni muteti chamani cha Wiper nukuwetakana yu chama cha ODM nikitonya kuvalana kana kumelone kila cha UDA kumana na kutiwa ni thayo kwa Raila Odinga na ula unakikwati ite vanene bala ingi ukuetakana tila isi yanya yake kuhusu isi wametuki undu atongo imaki utesi methi ito maiweta
nia kana ni lengo ya serikali uze kuthania amelia chama cha ODM isu niyo nia ni kuiza kwithiwa uni wo ubonge ula serikali inabangite kwikwatila nikana wize kuthania kata ni asioka katika utongoi 2027 indi ekanasye kana pena uwezekano amwe makamelwa na ange makalea kumelwa na muno andala manalikile manmendini wa broad based government andwazu kumelwa ni rais ni kuiza kwithiwa mebo na ni makwete ndia kana ni makwete kuya ni mukuona kana ona mutumia ngingo ndina atilika indi oyuma kwatie malumbano kana kusembanya kuna kutetania yani yonania kana paingwa mundu onomwe unamba kuoneka utona kuzuzya nafasi isu ya Raila Amolo Odinga ekanasyo kukovika oyu ni kwithiwa mutumiozu chama kyuno nake kwite kwanzia ingi na mundu wa kuoneka eze kwithiwa chama kyuno wake twatondula we mwene unake twaite pena vina muno kukovika poutivikite
na nukuetekana univatonya ukusi wa mwaniko cha amani kiivalamwa matongo imatonya uma na kuligasia amani ingi kavindani kaanthi ya Kenya ende na kwiyumbanisya usakwani munene wa mwaka wa 2021
Raila kuma kwake ni pigo nene muno pyo na nundu andu ni mamanie utongoi wi muyo na utongoi ni ukwati yu andu ala malikile katika ODM na maza motongoi yu na moni makwambia kwenda kwiyaka kwanzia ingi kwou eingi nisi makeda metayari mume kana mafomu chama ingi kwou ODM pena uwezekano munene pyo etilikangane ilungu kwa ilungu mwelike serikali nila ipo na ingi andwenge makizime mafomu coalitions na andwangi nikanaweze kwithiwa kilomwe anganganite oyu ni survival for the fittest.
James ni wawetakana yu mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na visoesyo ya kukitia kivila cha president na kuigithia kanani wanesi ya mivango na mawendekethyo ala maukitia memwamba na Raila Odinga.
Kalonzo oyu ena nafasi na andu monze ona family ya Raila ni isikana mundu lone bakuvi na Raila ateo Kalonzo payingongi na andu makinyima Kalonzo nafasi ya kulika wise kwithia ni wezi wa ebo pandu wa Raila kwa ivinda hii medhia makika nai ni malite kumana Kalonzo ebo na ebo ni walite kunengwe nafasi nikanawise kwithia ni uongoza nzi ya Kenya nikanawise kwithia mawazo ma Raila alonena mamukateni na Kalonzo ni mendea nikanawise kwithia ni muumalo kachienine.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni ita wa Angelina Mose.
Munini wa gavana kaunti na Masako Francis Mwangangi ni wenda ikundi ya kwikithia vena nziamba ilusi ya kutomea na vaita ingi kikokite muisyo va Kenya kililoni cha kuendesya kusuvia mwithuluko kepro kwa manja uthukumi wayo kula kwisilikali sia kaunti kithichoni kana kithitoni cha kwikithia uthukumi wa mituki na usuvi kuwa mwithuluko aini na umbanoni wa katatu wa kila mwaka wa ikundi yi mukawa ni umwe musini wa Ilovi wana uyovo nuthikathiie kwa kukilia mikalile ya Kenya ingi kwisila walanyowo wala Mwangangi ingi uteteiye itambia yo ya kwalula kiko na kukitwikithia cha vata haiweta kana ikundi yi nengete aingi uya vamwe na kusuvia mawithiuluko mule mulinge nukwelesya
Aikathie kundi ya kepro kwa uya musionzi kayo nisia kuyukilile ukwati na wengi kusuvia mawithiuluko na kuikithia madhumu nini waka vana kaunti ya Machakos Francis Mwangangi no akosokela othe isambazo wakanava ingwa mundu wika mali na kwekonya uyane uwa kuthesia kikona kukitekitha sindu sie maana kana refining west weta na kusuvia mawithiuluko na wengine kitina kinene cha kwiyukilile ukwati
utheu ni kindu ke maana na takataka no tumasia nombane kwitu tumasia makampanine tumasia kila bandu bonde na maofisi ni maito ni opportunity ndio nduito no bindwa ikaete account ya Masako odhi ikatumando ingi makwata mawea no kethia at least account itwaende ambe na ite mbwa na account ndeu ite mbwa na account itena mawo maingi nondo wa kwembwa mawethio roko maito meneko no yithia ni opportunity neno nondo Masako no yo thina ithekanene ando matona kuka kwambezia makambani mo.
Mwangangi ule mwalimu munene wa Ndaya ombano ni wakatatu wa kila mwaka wa ikundi mukawani umo musini wa Nairobi ni wamweta wewa kuthesya na kusuvia maithu kondo ile kutua moko ne mamo vya wanema wiwo ka eweta kila mundu anakianda kititone kikila weta ni umo munene wa ukwati otaundu ikundi yithitwe yikithailo vya
neta wathi munene kwa county situ sio kamba not only Machakos County na yu idho ni pethi wena serikali ni tangazie ni ende kuthesya mbuzi anu yo musumbi wa Kenya yasia na pena muika mbe wangili miongwena alama ende yotho magugu kwesela program ile ni ku extend masako maybe ibatona imbwe na muika karibu mbe wangili anaimwa alama imbwe mekwati yewono nikana maende na uteka na imbwe ne ndo munene muno kwa kamba na county ya Masako.
Vala Mwangangi kulia Kenya kwikonya na kosa muvango na moko ile mwana kivelo wa ikundi yake Pro Steve Moli wenda Kenya kwikonya na viasala ila utena kwa ilia unewo si kwa ilia unewa maidhuloko na ndhi ya Kenya kwa jumla.
Waste disposal, solid waste is a huge challenge. How can we change this narrative and bring in and show that actually we can actually have value out of this, what you're calling or what you're referring to as waste? And that is where KPRO is positioned. We are positioning ourselves whereby we can bring in collaborators and partners. Key collaborators as you and me, as the first key persons, as the waste generators. Secondly, do we have the collectors of the waste? Thirdly, who are the recyclers? The other bit is how can we reuse that waste in terms of making another economical product? Since people collecting PET bottles, able to convert them into cushions and such type of material. Thereby, again, we are reducing the need or the pressure to bring in virgin material. Because basically what you're saying, circularity is to ensure a material can be used 10 times, 20 times, not a linear usage where you use and throw. It's use and bring it back to the chain. So again, for us, it's a call for everyone. What is your role? And what you're saying is, what is our action after today? What are you going to do differently? And that's the main theme of our conference today. So really looking forward to bringing more partners and more influencers to make this a reality in Kenya in the shortest period of time.
Delivotia Motongo TV, nyenito wa Mulingem.
President William Ruto na President wa nthi ya Senegal Bassirou Diomaye Faye na ula mweni wa Ndaya sikukuni wa mashujadi kwa kwambelilia ni maikidi siengwatanio yonthe ni wamevea ya utandithia mugo mwaki mathau kati wa maundwangi. Ruto no wetie kana neme kwalanya kikalo kimwanya mwakani tuendete kunanesia maundu kibothukanio kwivo kubetanga isi sionthe sia kiutandithia katikati wa nthi ile. Meshak David nukuelezea.
Musumbi wa nthi ya Senegal Bassirou Diomaye Faye ula wendambukani yake vanthi ya Kenya na mweni munene wa Ndaya chathini cha kutania mashujadi kwiyo kaunti ya Kitui mwambana Musumbi William Ruto ni makusi ya kwikwa sahi kwa miwano kibothukanio thini wa mwikalo ma Musumbi musini wa Ilovi mevo maundu ma biasala mathau sese kati wa hangi.
This agreement is for the reciprocal exemption of visas for citizens of the Republic of Senegal and the Republic of Kenya.
Musumbi Ruto nwaweta kananda maimwanya ya Joint Cooperation Commission kana JCC ni kutethesya vanene kukwatanithia nthi ile na kanandi ya Kenya ni yombanitie kwalania kikalo cha ndamai mwaka ni tuendete wa ngilili miongoli na thanthatu yelelo ni cha kunenanisia maundu alamatonya kutethia nthi ile.
We reaffirmed our joint commitment to closer collaboration in trade, peace and security, energy, sports, and multilateral affairs. Our collaboration in these sectors aims to not only enhance prosperity, but also to promote sustainable development between our two nations. Kenya is ready to host the inaugural session of the Joint Cooperation Commission in the second half of the year 2026 through the JCC. We will strengthen cooperation in several sectors that are mutually beneficial for our two nations.
Oingi Musumbi Ruto ni wailesya kanandi ya Kenya na ile ya Senegal sina muvango wa kupeta isionthe sia kibiasala.
We recognize the foundations that already exist between our two nations and are pleased to announce the conclusion of a new visa waiver arrangement that will allow citizens of both countries visa-free travel for up to 90 days. This important milestone will foster stronger people-to-people ties and boost tourism, trade, and collaboration.
Musumbiruto ingine wathingilila kanandi ya Kenya na ile ya Senegal. Nisiwepo kumapamwe maunduni mamadhau. No kanaku ya inengo kuililikana kanandi ya Kenya ikalani madhau maafcon mwaka ni wangilili miongweli na muonda.
As Kenya prepares to co-host the AFCON 2027, we welcome Senegal's support and experience in hosting and excelling in continental football tournaments. We look forward to learning from Senegal's expertise in infrastructure development, event management, and building lasting sports legacies. We commit to exploring joint initiatives such as exchange programs for coaches and athletes, co-hosting regional tournaments, and establishing joint training camps. By combining Kenya's strength in athletics and Senegal's prowess in football, we aim to uplift our young people and enhance cultural diplomacy.
Nake musumbi wa Senegal wa mukadhi ya musumbi William Ruto aiwetaka na muguno utumiche maundu mautandithia maendeleo nesa na maendeleo angi.
I am aware of your commitment in peace efforts in the sub-region, and I would like to congratulate you for that and encourage you to continue on that dynamics. I would like to take this opportunity to commend your leadership and your efforts for the development and consolidation of peace in Kenya and across the sub-region.
Yoko ni cha umundio nake Prime Minister wa ndia Mozambique, Maria Benfida, nuvikie State House kumudhoki ya Musumbi Ruto, walao nake unafikite cha dhini cha mashujaa kuiyo. Vilingi wa Mavo, Mutongoi TV, ni ito wamesha Gziwa David.
Serikali sionde vaili mbetani ya Afrika nisiendikie kuikia matambia lama ilite kwa ililia ene maundu mauiti wala ingi mesilite vindane yumo ya kuvinyi wanema uoki wadhokanio kumanona uiti kuili wawina ngalama ya yolo wala kilungu kinene cha ene kina uchamu ingi mainena kavindane kaizeso ya uiti utendi vi kwa maitundi wa ulautwai wekanisani wa Redeemed Dorcas City International kisioni cha Matongolo aungamia nene maikundia Minister of Care kumandia America Dr. Keith na Joy Osweke ni maweti ya mwitu nemedhi tumayunyi kamuno ni kulea kukwata uiti mboni mutisia na mauvo.
Inena ishina utongozi soya ukunikila mwitu ndiwa na kumasisi ya madhina maniyo aungami maikundi ima watakana serikali na kianda kinene cha kwa ile maundu mauiti na kuikithika na lameno kwa timuini makuato mbau na kukitana na madhina lameno kumbila kana madhina mamiyo.
And government should do more because you should give services. But we are the salt, the light, and the city of this world. And we've gone on many trips. We do medical camps. And we raise the money ourselves. I like to work with governments because that's where the change began at the top. And the governments need to be changed, transformed, and we need to do more for its citizens. You know, look at the king, and we are children of a king. And in England, the king commands, but they also gives alms to the poor. But government, you are responsible for the citizens, to take care of them as well. Not talking about giving a handout or anything like that, but especially for the widows and the orphans and the poor.
Vama ongela kanande no isula matambuke takanande kivavukanyoni makuse madhina maingi kwithwa ene ndingi makwati munini na munwa mwetu ndiwa maratonya uvikia maundu mauiti na kwithwa kinini kila makwata matonya udhawa liuwa na ingi makosa liu kwithwa matena kendo.
I'm originally from Nigeria. You know, we don't have amenities, we don't have Medicare, we don't have what they have in America. So when I saw that pain, I believe the Lord asked me to help. So since 2001, 25 years, we've been caring for the widows. I've been to over 10 nations, Haiti 7 times. Sometimes we help them to build houses, we give them food. So it's not something I do for show, it's a passion. So gathering him, that is the first time in Haiti, in Kenya. We've been to Haiti 7 times, Nigeria 7 times, is to make them feel better. Sometimes the church, The government will fail them. I don't want anything. I don't even want attention before I won't say no.
Mutavana kana mubangi wa mubango yo John Zomwe watakana mosi tambeno kana kwende no makwatamba wa mwitunti wa nange mnosa tambia kumandikira ndilo na nywasha ulomba tetesa kungamende visi ya masvitali ilengi mataikwata.
Mama wengi wajane hakuna mtu anawashughulikia, hakuna mtu anawajali. So tumetaka kuunganisha wajane Kenya yote. Tuko na timu kutoka USA, tuko na timu kutoka Nigeria, we have a team from Zambia, na tuko na timu kutoka Uganda ambayo wamekuja ili tukaweze kusaidia wajane, tukaweze kuwatibu na kuwaelimisha kuhusu mambo ya afya. Na sababu ile tumefanya hivyo, wengi hawana nafasi ya kupata matibabu kwa sababu matibabu imekuwa expensive sana.
Vaa kwa wamo ikuole serikali na makundi ya kwenda na makwatamba kwa ile maondo angetaya na kwa nisendoro seingi menende maukwati munini.
And therefore we work together for the good of humanity and mankind. So governments, when you work with us and the NGOs, we can make a transformation and revolutionize our communities, our people, citizens, cities, and the nation at large.
Kuma matungulo kaundi ni Masako nyene tawabuni mutisia.
Naindi museisi wewe tuikila ngithio vilingi wa mauvo na ndukathi basa ni nzio ketheti na kilaki mathanguni nyene tawa Robert Mutuku.
Inu ni Mutongoi TV.
Rekendo mundu osiao